Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable S Pen feature on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on advanced features. And then go down and tap on S Pen. So tap on that to turn it on or off. You can also tap on the left hand side panel, and in here you can further customize what to turn on and what to turn off. And you can see once S Pen is turned on, if I have the pen near the device, it can detect that the S Pen is close by, and it will show this S Pen icon on the screen, and from there you can touch and use it. And with S Pen, you can create notes, view all notes, smart select, screen write, live messages. You can do AI doodle, translate, pen up, and you can add shortcuts. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. If we switch it off, then you can see S Pen no longer can be used with your device. But once we turn it on, then we can use S Pen with the Galaxy S21 series. And that's how you can turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.